Welcome to Leeds College Peshawar. My name is Inayat Afridi and I am a lecturer of English and Comparative Literature at Leeds College English Department. My today's lecture is about modifier, but in this lecture I will focus on types of modifier including pre-modifier and post-modifier. I will also focus on important point, means sub-point in this lecture that could be used noun as a modifier. So let's get first of all on definitions of modifier. Modifier is also called qualifier word that qualifies a noun. But if we check the definition of modifier in Concise Oxford Dictionary, according to Concise Oxford Dictionary, modifier is a word or maybe a complete phrase which qualifies sense of a word and maybe of the phrase. Now, I have given few examples. The first one, nice job. Number second, attractive lecture. Number third, long enough. Now in these examples, the first one, job is a noun, but if you say what kind of job, tough job, nice, attractive. Right here we have the modifier nice, a job. Nice as a modifier, it qualifies the job, nice job. Coming to discuss this one, attractive lecture. If we ask questions that what kind of lecture we talk about attractive lecture. So in the given example, attractive is a modifier and it qualifies the lecture. And third one, long enough. Right, in this case the enough is the modifier and it qualifies the long. Point is that some modifier comes at the end of the noun, it comes after the noun which qualifies, but some modifier comes before the noun. Based on this concept, modifier has been categorized, grouped into two fundamental categories, including number one, pre-modifier, and number second as the post-modifier. Coming to discuss what exactly we mean by pre-modifier. Now I have listed two examples. Number one, nice spoke and beautiful sing. In these two examples we have two nouns including book and seen, but before these nouns comes the modifier nice. First comes the modifier and then comes the noun. The modifier which qualifies the noun comes first, then comes the noun. So in these examples, nice and beautiful, they are modifiers comes before the noun, and based on this concept they are called pre-modifier. The second principal class of modifier is the post-modifier. It is quite different from the pre-modifier because these modifier or qualifier comes after the noun. I have listed two cases, good enough and tired of study. Now in the first one, enough, it qualifies this one, good. In example number second, tired. For example, if we say tired of work, of study. So of study, it's the modifier and it qualifies the tired. Now the last sections of my lecture as that could we use noun as a modifier. The answer is yes, that noun can be used as a modifier. It can qualify as another noun. I have listed two cases. Number one, office building and English teacher. Now in first example, both of them are nouns. Office is noun and building is noun. But what kind of building we are talking about? We are talking about office building. This is modifier, being noun, it qualifies the building. And the second example, that what kind of teacher we talk about? English teacher. Both of them are noun, but the first noun qualifies the teacher. So the point is that yes, we can use noun as a modifier and qualify. It qualifies and modifies the next nouns. Keep in touch with English. Have a nice time. Thank you very much for time.